Welcome to our English listening channel. Hello everyone. Today you will follow a simple conversation between two adults who discover that their luggage has been stolen at the airport. What would you do in this situation? Do not worry. The characters will speak slowly and clearly about how to handle this problem step by step. Please relax and enjoy the story.
Charlie, do you see our bags?
No, I do not see them anywhere.
But everyone else has their luggage already.
Maybe our bags are coming later.
I hope so. Let me check our tickets again.
Yes, this is the right carousel. Flight number 245.
The belt is almost empty now.
This is strange. Where are our two black suitcases?
I am getting worried. We had important things in those bags.
Do not worry yet. Let us wait a few more minutes. Let us look around other carousels too.
Good idea. Maybe someone put our bags in the wrong place.
I will check over there by the wall.
I will look at carousel number 3.
Sarah, did you find anything?
No, nothing. What about you?
No luck here either. This is very unusual.
Charlie, I think someone took our luggage.
You might be right. We need to report this immediately.
Yes, let us go find airport security or staff. Where can we find someone to help us?
Look, there are signs pointing to information desks.
Perfect. Let us go there first.
We should also find airport security.
Yes, they will know what to do about stolen luggage.
I see an information desk over there.
Great. They can tell us where to go next.
Do you have our flight information ready?
Yes, I have everything here in my bag.
Good. Let us go talk to them now.
Excuse me, we need help with our missing luggage.
We think someone stole our two black suitcases.
They were not at the baggage claim for Flight 245.
We looked everywhere but could not find them.
What should we do in this situation?
Do we need to fill out a special report?
We have our baggage claim tickets right here.
And here are our boarding passes too.
Can you help us contact airport security?
We really need to find our luggage as soon as possible.
Thank you for meeting with us so quickly.
We really appreciate your help with this problem.
Our two black suitcases disappeared from baggage claim.
We waited until all other bags were collected.
Then we searched the entire area carefully.
But we could not find them anywhere.
Do you think someone really stole them?
What happens next in cases like this?
Can you check the security cameras?
We need to file an official report, right? So we need to write down everything that was in our bags?
Yes, they want a complete list of all items.
I remember we had clothes, shoes, and toiletries.
Do not forget your laptop and my camera.
Right. And what about the approximate value?
I think around $800 total.
Should we include the suitcases themselves?
Yes, those cost about $200 together.
Here, let me help you finish this form.
Thank you. This is a lot of information to remember. We need to buy some basic things for tonight.
Yes, at least toothbrushes and toothpaste.
I also need shampoo and soap.
Look, they have small travel sizes here.
Perfect. And maybe we should get clean shirts too.
Good idea. These airport prices are expensive, though.
We do not have a choice right now.
True. Let us just get what we absolutely need.
Tomorrow we can shop for more things.
Hopefully, the police will find our luggage soon.
Hello, I need to report stolen luggage for our travel insurance.
Tell them we already filed a police report.
Yes, we have the report number right here.
And show them our list of stolen items.
The total value was about $1,000.
Ask them what documents they need from us.
Okay, I understand. We need to email everything.
How long does the insurance process usually take?
They said it could take up to 2 weeks.
At least they will cover our emergency expenses. We would like a room for one night, please.
We had an emergency at the airport today.
Someone stole all our luggage, so we have no clothes.
Do you have any rooms available?
We just need somewhere safe to sleep tonight.
Here are our passports and credit card.
Is there a shopping center nearby?
We need to buy some clothes tomorrow morning.
Thank you so much for helping us.
This has been a very long and difficult day. We need to find the most basic things first.
Right. Clean underwear, socks, and one outfit each.
I found some simple shirts and pants here.
Good. I will look for men's clothes over there.
We should not spend too much money today.
Agreed. Just enough to feel comfortable.
Maybe we should buy a small bag, too.
Yes, we need something to carry everything in.
I hope our insurance will pay us back soon.
At least we have what we need for now. Let us review everything we did today.
First, we reported the theft to airport security.
Then we filled out the police report completely.
And we called our insurance company.
We also bought emergency clothes and supplies.
What should we do tomorrow morning?
We need to email all documents to insurance.
And call the airport to check for updates.
Maybe we should extend our hotel stay one more night.
Good idea. We might get news about our luggage. Hello, this is Sarah calling about our stolen luggage report.
Ask them if they found anything on the security cameras.
Have you checked the security footage from yesterday?
And did anyone turn in 2 black suitcases?
I see. So there is no news yet.
Well, at least they are still investigating.
They said they will call us if anything happens.
Our insurance claim is moving forward, too.
Yes, we sent all the documents this morning.
I guess we just have to be patient now.
I hope this video helped you improve your English. What would you do if someone stole your luggage at the airport? Please share your answer in the comments. Learning how to handle difficult situations like this can help you speak with more confidence when traveling. If you enjoyed the story, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you for learning with us. See you next time. Bye.